Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the background in Photoshop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop app. So I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, we have to click on the no, and after clicking on this, we have to click on this. We have to import the image, that which image you want to use, and after that we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. It's up to your device configuration. If your device will be good, it will be done faster. So now simply we have to go to the background section. So as you can see, as the background section, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it will make a selection. Now you have to choose that which type of background color you want. If you click on this, the background will be removed like this. If you want to use this and all the colors are provided here, you have to choose that which color you want. For example, you have to go to the action section, and after going to action, here's the remove option. If you click on this, the background will be removed. In the color section, if you want to apply the color, you can also do that. You have to choose that which type of color you want, and that color will be applied in your background. So this is the color section, and here your background will be empty. This way you can remove the background of your picture in Photoshop app. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.